So guys, today the purpose of today is to make a video on using an oscilloscope. And then an oscilloscope is something very, very different to what we used to call a diagnosis machine. It is not a diagnosis. We do not diagnose anything on the car by using an oscilloscope. Here it is. You can come look at it. This is an oscilloscope, guys. It's not a diagnosing machine. It is an 8-channel oscilloscope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is 8 channels. So that means that you can measure 8 things at one time. It measures the signals so that the signals, you can see the signals on the computer that side. Okay, come this way. Okay. Then here now, for today purpose, I would like to measure the injector waveform. I want us to focus on injector waveforms. This is just channel. Then I've connected an attenuator here of 20:1. The reason of putting this attenuator is that the voltage spike as a result of the coil there, sometimes it becomes so violent that it can damage your scope. So you need to put this in first. So then this is the channel that I'm going to use. This channel 3 is off. I'm not using it. Then I'm using this channel here. And then here, come here. This is just the ground. Then I'm grounding it here. Then I've chosen the injector number 2 here. And this is just a crocodile clip. Then I've put a back probing on the negative wire of the injector. This is the control. And then this one is the power. So I clip this one on the control. Then I clip this one on the negative of this car. So now coming now, okay. And then coming out here to the computer itself, and let's do our setups here. Then I give it one again. Right. Open my computer. So here are lots. Yeah, this is a computer, and then that was then this one. This is the view of the software. Then that channel number 1 is here. Then I've set it here. Focus bit. This is channel 1, and then it's on here. And then I've chosen the 10 volts scale, and then here is the attenuator of 20:1. Battery is coming low, but anyway, we are going further. So look down here, it says it's searching for the device. So this means that the device is now off. Okay, let me unplug it and then replug it again. Maybe it will say. Then I want to look for connected here. Yeah, here down here, if you can see here, it says connected. Go further. Go further. Yeah, even though you can't see it, but it says connected. That's how it is. So now I'm going to start the car. I'm going to start the car in there, and then we are going to see what's going on. Okay, come on. Look, stop checking. We've got 20. Well, I have cooked it as well. Right. The car now is idling, so don't worry about this channel. This one I'm not using it now. So that's why you come to the focus inside the computer now. Yeah. Then here, this is the injector waveform, as you can see. Now here, this is a 12-volt line. Then it gets then the computer connects the injector. Then that's why the voltage drops down here, because this is a negative. Then this is the length of the injector pulse, how long the injector is on. Then when the injector switches itself off here, then that's where the spike occurs, because of the EMF. That is the big EMF that collapses on the coil, and then it goes up. Then here everything is fine. Then that's why the voltage is coming down. When it comes down, then we have a little hump here. Then this little hump, that shows to us that the spindle of the injector is closing at this moment here. So you have to have this that will tell you that your injector is closing. It's not stuck open or stuck closed. If you don't have this one here, then it will mean that your injector is not closing or is not opening enough. Then everything, this sequence will just occur. This is a scope, guys. It's a very fast read actually. The difference with some other things is that it can read the things that is very hard to can even imagine them. They can maybe something like at the moment here I'm reading this at 1 microsecond. This event is something that is happening in 1 microsecond, not a second. 1 microsecond, which is something that even to imagine it is so hard to imagine. It's a fast reader, and oscilloscope is a super fast reading device which can read the digitals and also those things that it reads that are electrical. It throws them in the computer, in the screen, so that you can see and look everything in it. Okay? Is that the way?